Phil was instrumental in helping craft the exclusive license agreement between my company, Jet Worldwide Enterprises, Inc., and Albert Einstein College of Medicine. My name is Jeannette Mahoney. I'm a neuroscientist at Albert Einstein College of Medicine. I study how the brain integrates information across both visual and somatosensory systems, and what we're really looking at is how inability to integrate well for older adults is linked to falls. So we've developed a fall prediction app called Catch You that we are currently putting into the market so that we can help older adults mitigate disastrous falls. So I was part of a bioaccelerator program called the Westchester County Biosciences Accelerator, and I was connected with a mentor who was a former J&J client, and she later became part of my company, and she was the one who has had a long outstanding relationship with Phil and suggested that I talk with him about our venture and our plans and see if we were a good fit. Before joining the bioaccelerator, I had really no need for a lawyer. And once I became part of this program and realized that I was ready to start an actual company and to start thinking about how I could protect intellectual property and join forces with my institution, I quickly realized that I needed somebody with great experience. And I was introduced to Phil, and we had a long discussion about, my goals of creating a company, gaining an exclusive license with Albert Einstein College of Medicine. He and I both felt that we were a good fit, and we were able to move on from there. And it's been nothing but an amazing experience. We are a digital health application, and it was clear that Albert Einstein had not had much experience with digital health licenses before because they were mainly doing therapeutics. So we had to start from a document that was basically written for companies like AstraZeneca, and tone it down to what an actual sort of very small startup dealing with digital health technology really needed to look like. And so because I'm faculty at Einstein, I was not able to be a part of the decision making, but Phil, working with someone who we appointed as president at the time, Bob Koch, they were able to work together in a very quick and efficient manner and craft a document that later served all our needs and come up with ideas that I never even thought of in ways that would be super protective to not only myself, but to the company. Phil is a genuine, charismatic go-getter. He's a straight shooter. He will tell you exactly how it is. He has no ego. If he doesn't know something or isn't familiar with something, he will either advise you to go find that person or help be connected with somebody with that different expertise. Having said that, I've never seen that because he really has been able to answer every single question and apprise me of things that I never even thought of. So I would describe him as a hardworking, dedicated, passionate lawyer who really appreciates the importance of science and medicine and health and people in general, and strives to do well, not only for his clients, but also for, humanity. If you're on the fence about hiring Phil, I would seriously consider his long list of expertise. His experience speaks for itself. The fact that you're being introduced to somebody who will really take time to listen to your problem and go the extra mile to help find strategic solutions is one of Phil's strengths, and not a lot of people can do that. And he's a lawyer who's passionate about what he does and really drives it home in a way that you could appreciate the hard work that he puts in. I would just say beyond being a lawyer, he does have other leadership positions. He's heavily involved in Stevens University. I think he sits on the board there. He's really involved with innovation, and he really tries to jump in whenever he can to help. And another amazing thing that Phil is excellent at doing is connecting dots. So if an opportunity arises or he's introduced to somebody that he thinks might be of interest to your company, Phil will take the time to write an email or give you a text or a call and say, I think we should be talking to so-and-so, or I'd like to introduce you to this, or did you know about this opportunity, because I think it could be helpful for Jet. So I might not be calling him because I need him, he might be reaching out because he's always thinking about how he can better his relationships with his clients, which speaks for itself. And it's absolutely amazing. And there's comfort in knowing that, you're working with somebody who really cares and who's really somebody who has your back the entire time, even when you don't know you need it.